Hi, would you like to know how to manage your trading stress better? Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hi, I'm Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading. Today we're going to be talking about managing your trading stress better. And you'll have to pardon me again, I'm a bit sweaty. It's a bit rainy out this morning, but just had a great workout. Got the dogs down here. And one of the things that I talk about in my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders is managing stress is a critical factor. And one of those is getting out and exercising every day. But let's go through a little breakdown of that. I made some notes just as I was thinking. First of all, you got to understand that trading is very stressful. It's a high stress environment, and chemical, physical, emotional, environmental, mental stress, financial stress, they're all things that we're designed to handle in short bursts. Our physiology is designed to be in a fight-flight situation only for short terms. And if you're in that environment under a prolonged amount of stress, eventually that has detrimental effects not only on your health, possibly your relationships, but most definitely your trading. And the idea with high performance trading is to build a sustainable process that supports you in all endeavors, in all aspects of your life, not only building your health, building your trading account, building your expertise, building your skills, build your relationships, build you as a person. And if you're constantly progressing in that direction, then most definitely you'll be achieving your goals, but also you'll be healthier. Your trading results will probably reflect that. These are all things that you can control yourself to ensure your high performance in a very highly competitive and unpredictable environment. So one of the things that the first thing you definitely have to do, which is always probably the most obvious, is manage your risk. If you're taking excessive risk in the market, most definitely that's going to have a huge impact emotionally and stress-wise, but also if you're trading outside of your money management or your position sizing strategies from your trading plan, eventually you're going to blow yourself up, and that's almost a guaranteed. So manage your risk appropriately. Set SMART goals. Now, we talked about this in one of my other previous videos. SMART is an acronym that can give you a solid template for setting short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals that are specific, they're measurable, they're attainable, they're built on time frames. They're all there for you to have a stair-step process and moving in the right direction, not only in your trading, showing improvement and consistency, but also in all aspects of your life. So apply the SMART acronym to your goal setting. Every single day, every week, every month, whatever it is, your time frame, prepare properly. Brent Penfold, I love what he said, is he says, get prepared. And if you're an intraday trader, be prepared. If you're an end of day trader, be prepared. A swing trader, position trader, whatever it is, be prepared. Know the PREP acronym, know all possible variations that can present when you get a trade signal and you take an entry. Be prepared for all circumstances and scenarios. And again, that comes back to what we said initially, was managing your risk, but get prepared. Next one, understand that trading is a losing game. Some of the greatest traders had less than 50% success rate, but it's their money management strategies that ensured that when they had their winners, if they were adding additional positions, whatever that may be, they were taking a lot of small bets, a lot of small position entries, a lot of losing trades. But trading is a losing game, but it can be a highly profitable one if you manage that and you understand that taking losses is part of the game of trading. Focus on the trading process, not on the outcomes of the individual trades. You need to focus on flawless execution of your trading system. A lot of the computer programs have that advantage where they're unemotional, but you as a trader need to focus flawlessly on executing that trading process. And the last thing, go get my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. It's a program that's built on building you up in all aspects of your life, creating a vision, working on your mindset every single day, building yourself up physically, emotionally, accelerate your learning, develop your personal growth, work on your nutrition, your physical health, all the things that are going to build you up. When you bulletproof yourself on a day-to-day basis, it's going to show up in every other aspect of your life. So please go ahead and get that program. Go to my homepage, enter your email and your address, but go back through. If you understand these principles, you shouldn't have any problems with stress. It's going to be there every single day, but it's all about how you manage it, how you approach it, how you prepare for it, and it will help you cope in the long term with a sustainable program that's going to turn you into a super trader. I hope you got some value out of today's video. Get down to the park, get a workout. You know, as I said in the other videos, I really appreciate a lot of the comments and the feedback I'm getting from people. Stay focused, stay disciplined, build yourself up, work on yourself every single day, learn something from the market every single day, and stay disciplined. Thanks, traders. Have a great day. Hi, traders. It's Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at stacyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High-Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.